Stop scrolling for a second. What you are looking at is not a man-made monument. It is not a lost temple, and it is definitely not a giant organ built by humans. This is pure geology at work. Welcome to Garni Gorge, Armenia, a place where the earth decided to show off. At first glance, these tall stone columns look planned, too straight, too perfect, almost suspicious. Many people ask the same question: how can nature create something this precise? Here is the answer, and it will leave you stunned. Let us start from the beginning. Millions of years ago, this peaceful gorge was anything but calm. The ground here cracked open, molten lava poured out, glowing, violent, unstoppable. Now here is the key detail most people miss. The magic did not happen when the lava erupted. It happened when the lava stopped moving. As the lava spread and began to cool, it shrank, but it did not shrink randomly. Physics stepped in. When thick lava cools slowly, it fractures in a very specific way. The surface hardens first, the inside cools later. This difference in temperature creates stress, and stress needs release. So the lava cracks, not in circles, not in chaos. It cracks into hexagons. Why hexagons? Because hexagons are the most efficient shape to divide space evenly. Nature always chooses efficiency. That is why you see the same pattern in honeycombs. Different material, same rule. As cooling continued, these cracks extended downward, slowly, evenly, patiently. Over time, basalt columns emerged, tall, straight, closely packed, like the pipes of a giant organ. That is why locals call it the symphony of stones. Now pause here. Each column you see took thousands of years to form. No tools, no architects, no corrections. Just time, temperature, and pressure. Some of these columns rise up to 50 meters high. Each one records a moment of Earth's volcanic past. This is not decoration. This is evidence. Evidence that the Earth is active, restless, creative. Now look closer at the surface of the columns. You will notice smooth faces and sharp edges. That smoothness comes from uniform cooling. The sharp edges come from precise fractures. Nothing here is accidental. And here is something even more fascinating. You can find similar basalt columns in places like Iceland and Northern Ireland. Different continents, same process. This tells us something important. The laws shaping our planet do not change with location. They remain constant. Garni Gorge is not special because it's unique. It's special because it reveals a universal process so clearly. Now imagine standing beneath these columns. You feel small, but also connected. You are looking at frozen lava, liquid fire turned into stone, chaos turned into order. This landscape reminds us that destruction and creation often happen together. Volcanoes destroy, but they also build. Without eruptions, there would be no basalt columns, no symphony of stones, no silent music carved in rock. So the next time someone tells you rocks are boring, remember this place. Stone can sing if you know how to listen. And now I want to hear from you. What amazes you more, the precision of the shapes or the patience of the process? Follow Planet's View for more hidden stories written into the Earth itself.